Dive into 2024's cleaning revolution with our guide to the best Shark vacuums. We've sifted through the options to bring you the top performers. From powerful suction to cutting-edge features, these vacuums are set to make waves in your cleaning routine. Let's explore the future of clean together. The Shark AZ3002 Stratos stands out as the top choice for the best overall Shark vacuum in 2024, offering an exceptional combination of build quality, usability, and all-around cleaning performance. This powerful vacuum features a built-in headlight for illuminating dirt particles and a dual-roller design to enhance cleaning efficiency across various floor types. Despite its somewhat bulky and heavy build at 17 pounds, the upright design incorporates a swivel steering mechanism for improved maneuverability in tight spaces. Notably, the vacuum is equipped with built-in LED lights to reveal hidden dirt, along with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, ensuring the capture of 99.9% of airborne dust, dander, or allergens. The addition of odor neutralizer technology contributes to a comprehensive cleaning experience. With 1416 watts of cleaning power, the Shark AZ3002 Stratos is particularly suitable for demanding or heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Its DuoClean Power Fins Hair Pro system, featuring a self-cleaning brush roll, guarantees consistent contact and efficient debris capture. The vacuum's large 1.5 quart capacity dust bin and anti-wrap dust cup further enhance its usability for larger cleaning jobs. Overall, the Shark AZ3002 Stratos emerges as a high-end, powerful vacuum cleaner with advanced cleaning features, making it the optimal choice for those seeking thorough and efficient cleaning performance. For those seeking a cost-effective vacuum that doesn't compromise on quality cleaning across diverse household surfaces, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional emerges as the best budget-friendly Shark vacuum in 2024. This model offers a practical blend of affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for everyday cleaning needs. With an upright design that can transform into a handheld tool for reaching tricky areas, the Shark Navigator is versatile, albeit slightly heavy at approximately 14 pounds. Its 30-foot power cord provides ample freedom during cleaning, coupled with an intuitive swivel steering mechanism for easy navigation around obstacles and furniture. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the vacuum features a high-capacity 2.2 dry quart dust cup and a built-in HEPA filter for effective allergen trapping. Boasting 1200 watts of cleaning power, it efficiently tackles dirt on common household surfaces like hardwood or carpeting. The handle controls allow toggling between two cleaning modes, catering to both bare floors and carpeted areas. Additionally, the vacuum includes practical accessories such as a crevice tool, dusting brush, and extension wand for added versatility in tackling various cleaning tasks. In summary, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional stands as a reliable and efficient upright vacuum that offers an affordable solution for those prioritizing practicality without compromising on cleaning performance. Whether dealing with dirt or pet hair, this model proves to be an ideal choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for a straightforward yet effective cleaning solution. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum takes the lead as the best Shark robot vacuum in 2024, offering a blend of convenience and effectiveness in home cleaning. With an advanced sensor enabling accurate home mapping, an intuitive companion app for customizable settings, and the dual functionality of vacuuming and mopping, this robot vacuum ensures a thorough clean on various floor types. Its low-profile design allows it to effortlessly fit underneath most furniture, and with color options available, it can be tailored to match personal style preferences. Despite its compact size, the vacuum boasts impressive battery life, providing up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning per charge, making it suitable for larger houses or apartments. The inclusion of integrated Google Assistant and Alexa support allows for hands-free control, and the companion app enables users to set cleaning schedules or zones. While configuring the app may present some complexity compared to other quality vacuums, such as the Shark AZ3002 Stratos, the Shark AI Ultra stands out with its unique 2-in-1 design that seamlessly transitions between vacuuming and mopping. Internally, the vacuum incorporates a 360 degrees LiDAR vision sensor for precise mapping, avoiding obstacles during the cleaning process. Matrix Clean navigation technology ensures a grid pattern for thorough cleaning, covering every spot multiple times. The vacuum delivers robust suction power to effectively eliminate dirt, and its spot cleaning function targets stubborn messes and ingrained grime. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum provides a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining a clean home, designed to tackle dirt and grime without requiring manual movement or relocation. For those seeking a high-end robot vacuum that is user-friendly and effective in handling challenging cleaning tasks, the Shark AI Ultra proves to be an excellent choice. The Shark AZ3002 Vertex stands out as the best Shark stick vacuum in 2024 for those seeking a lightweight yet powerful cleaning solution. Weighing only around 7 pounds, it offers versatile 2-in-1 functionality and features multi-flex technology for improved maneuverability. With efficient duo clean technology, the vacuum ensures consistent contact with surfaces, effectively removing dirt and grime across all floor types. The impressive battery life provides up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning per charge, surpassing some other cordless models. Additional features include a built-in LED light for efficient cleaning, multi-flex technology for reaching under low-profile furniture, and a large 1.4-quart dust bin for bigger tasks. The vacuum's high-powered motor, equipped with hypervelocity accelerated suction technology, delivers a deep, efficient, and thorough clean with a supercharged powered boost trigger for stubborn debris. The Shark AZ3002 Vertex is a portable and effective vacuum, offering 3 power modes to optimize cleaning power for various tasks. If you're in search of a lightweight vacuum that excels in performance and versatility, this model is an excellent choice, fitting under low-profile furniture and delivering reliable cleaning performance. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best Shark vacuums in 2024. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep your space clean and happy cleaning. See you in the next video.